Hi, my name is Dasun and I'm the founder of Merlo AI. Today I want to show you how our latest template functionality works in Microsoft Teams agent. So as you know, in Strata there's a lot of templates you need to deal with today. Strata managers have to either keep these templates in a Word document, or some use a signature and things like that. These can work, but they're not very efficient. You still have to populate the information, you still have to do everything, but what I'm going to show you is going to change that whole thing, how you do it. So this way you can actually use the power of Merlo to keep maintain your templates and also populate the information as soon as you actually want to generate the draft email, right? So let's jump into it. I'm going to share my screen. I hope you can actually see it. And I'm going to say, look, for you to work, for you to do this, all you need to do is using the AGM notice template. Can you please send an email to the bonus plan 2604, please? I don't have to say please all the time. The meeting date is 31st of March 2026 at 5 p.m. and keep meeting link as TBC. So the beauty of that is when you actually set up the template, you can actually tell Merlo these fields I want you to pull it from the Strata system, because Merlo has access to the Strata system, so you don't have to manually populate it, and Merlo will do all that for you. And you can also attach documents to the template, like for an example AGM notice, we can attach your committee nomination form, proxy form and all attached to the template, so you don't have to do it all the time, and Merlo will put all together, draft the email, and you can just send it out already. So here you go. So it says the AGM notice for the email plan blah 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 for the date has been clicked, and let's go. So same story, I'm gonna go into my there you go. So that's what you're seeing right now. Is, let me bring it up much closer, so you have everything, so you can specify how you want it written, everything, all that information. You have the proxy form, sample proxy forms and everything attached. You can view all that. Whatever you want to add, you can ask Merlo to add the last AGM minutes or whatever it is, and all that information is now populated. So there you go, guys. So that is very powerful. So it doesn't have to be always any the templates, like you can add whatever you want. So I can actually say show me all the templates we have in the system. This is our demo system, so I'm sure the data is not that clean, but you can create these things once and that's it. Whether you have a different kind of notices you want to create, we use this for insurance automation as well. So when you actually want to send out commercial tenant information request, you want to do anything, whatever you want to do, you can create the templates, and you just have to tell Merlo, hey, using this template, can you draft it? You can actually do it in a very bulk manner as well. You can actually say, hey, send this to using individual users, individual owners or something like that. You can actually do that as well. So that way Merlo will, instead of drafting one email, will actually populate the information for each lot owners or whoever it is and generate it. I'm sure you can see the power of this. I'm sure you can see how much time this can help your operation today. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. Otherwise, enjoy, take care, bye bye.